Hey, give high five. High five. Asher, look at Eilish. High five. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you do knuckles?
What time is she gonna go to bed?
Eilish clearly doesn't know that one.
There you go. Good job, Eilish. Knuckles. You're like kid power.
About ready to go.
Rawr. What happened?
Pumpkin. You come give mommy a kiss.
Run up to the top, Ash. Run up to the top.
I can run to the top too.
Oh, you're gonna run to the top too?
Yeah, you guys run to the top and then run down.
I'm down.
Go get Asher, Eilish. All right. Hey, Asher, run down with Eilish. Come on. Run down. Watch out for... There you go.
Go,
run
go,
down.
go, 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 go!
So fast! Yeah!
Hey!
We